Today, the web is a definitive world north of. A mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, in the event that the information source isn't veritable or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a calamity. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in outlook. On account of the approach of blockchain that a large number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be outfit to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, joining the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz one-of-a-kind stage furnishes clients with the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits by mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost expectation, let us check out a portion of the special highlights of Chiliz. Chiliz specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the greatest cost heightening to $0. Yet, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that occurred in 2020 is corresponded to the declaration made by the Chiliz task to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a negligible recuperation. Be that as it may, the exhibition of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 5 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of WAC 2021, the cost of Chiliz has reflected enormous development, denoting another unequaled high at the 89 cents mark. In any case, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight remedy, yet later it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHZ cost denoted an enormous meeting and contacted 75 cents in April. However, later, it revised to the 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark. However, later, it confronted a sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways exchanging till the finish of October. From that point onward, it denoted a critical recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. CHZ will be the market pick and decision of gaming financial backers, particularly in light of the fact that it has gone the distance. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of unwavering quality implanted in this money. The pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Beating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent insight about computerized coins. At the hour of composing this specialized examination and Chiliz crypto cost expectation, the cost of the CHZ token was 11 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $33,003,656 and the market cap of Chiliz was $797,893,114 with a circling supply of 6,718,673,450 CHZ. CHZ coin cost expectation proposes that Chiliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new presentation of Chiliz has not soared on the trade, ascending to greatness. One conspicuous truth that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is digging in for the long haul, increment, and fill in the market in full blossom according to our Chiliz cost expectation. Chiliz value expectation 2023 as of late. Chiliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As indicated by our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 11 cents. Likewise, the CHZ cost is fit for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chiliz crypto value expectation 2024 CHZ expectation for 2024 predicts that the most extreme cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents, individually. The most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in view of our Chiliz crypto cost expectation. Chiliz value forecast 2025 as per CHZ cost expectation 2025. In a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to quit slacking with other digital forms of money to obviously show up at the very least cost of 29 cents and at greatest cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ conjecture depicts the stunning positive thinking anticipated for the CHZ cost, mostly because of its predictable presentation throughout the long term. Chiliz coin value expectation 2026 violating all restrictions north of 2026 would doubtlessly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz forecast, upheld by Hardy Savvy Gets, the most extreme value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents, separately. Chiliz expectation 2027 the street ahead is brimming with pedals according to the CHZ cost conjecture, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the most extreme cost of 62 cents. In examination, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents. Separately, CHZ value forecast 2028 out of 2028. The CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation shows that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz gauge 2029 thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may handily cross a most extreme cost of 82 cents, as per our CHZ coin cost expectation 2029. Chiliz value forecast 2030 in light of our CHZ cost expectation 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a possible low of 73 cents and a likely high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost variances in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unstable or have high gamble. Chiliz cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 16 cents in 2023. According to cost expectation discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 19 cents with the typical figure cost of 17 cents. According to the Chiliz conjecture information examination, the cost of CHZ is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over 2024, Chiliz is supposed to have a base cost of 25 cents. Moreover, the CHZ cost is equipped for getting a greatest degree of 31 cents. By 2025, the cost of Chiliz will be stretched around 12 cents, greatest cost 12 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the year will be around 11 cents. Chiliz cost gauge toward the finish of 2025 will be around 10 cents. About Chiliz showing up on the biggest blockchain scene. Chiliz was formally sent off in 2019, despite the fact that the seeds of thought for a socially empowered stage were planted in 2016 currently in the name and style of socios.com. Any game or a sports on the planet can adapt fan interest. Chiliz is a trailblazer in enacting and adapting a crowd of people through revolutionary fan commitment with most loved groups the board. It is a swarm control motor, equipped for giving fans casting a ballot rights for any widespread game. The sports fans can decide in favor of their number one groups in the esports world. The blockchain-based cooperations through the Chiliz token have worked with gaming fans overall to project their help for their number one games groups by buying fan tokens by means